The electronic MCB. Why do you need this? To protect your home appliances from damage due to sudden voltage and current fluctuation, and it is a multi-purpose protection. This product cover all three protection range: over voltage, under voltage, and overload protection with action time of 0.1 second. The range: over voltage protection ranging 230 to 300 volt. Under voltage protection range is for 140 watt to 210 watt, and over current protection range is 1 to 63 ampere. Auto reconnect. In case of voltage fluctuation, the device instantly cut off the power supply. When supply is back to normal, the device automatically reconnect supply within 1 to 500 seconds. That can be adjustable. Note that maximum sustainable voltage of this device is 440 volt. In case of surge, this product will destroy itself without damaging your appliances. Your appliances will be safe. So let's look at what are the components present inside of it.